In this video, I'll show you how to fix blank or missing white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 11. If your shortcut icons in Windows 11 appear blank or missing, here's some effective solution to restore them. The first thing you can do, press WinR on your keyboard and then the Run app will pop up on your screen. So in here, just simply enter CMD to be able to summon the command prompt. In the command prompt, type the following commands one by one. Make sure to enter each of these commands into your command prompt. So simply copy this and then paste it on your command prompt. Now, after you have entered all of this command in the command prompt, simply restart your computer to apply the changes. If that doesn't work, another thing that you can do is to reset Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard to open the task manager. Now in here, go ahead and look for the Windows Explorer application. So just go ahead and scroll down since each of these applications are arranged alphabetically on the list. So simply look for that Windows Explorer, click on that and click on that restart button at the bottom right of this pop-up. Another thing that you can do if that doesn't work as well is to go ahead and perform an SFC and DISM scan. To do that, go ahead and open the command prompt again as an administrator and then run SFC /scan now. Click on enter and then after you have actually accomplished that command, just simply enter DISM/online/cleanup image /restore health. Wait for the process to complete and restart your computer. And that's basically how you can fix blank or missing white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.